Imagine your mind is a city. One ordinary day, an elephant breaks loose. Loud, powerful, unstoppable. This is what it feels like when emotions take control. But what if we told you, you are not just the elephant, you're also the rider. And when the rider learns to lead, even the wildest emotion can follow. The elephant is your emotional brain. The rider is your rational brain. Together, they decide your impact. React and break. Or pause and build. That's the rider's power. You were never meant to silence the elephant, only to guide it. Emotions are not your enemy. They are power. With learning, we tame our elephants. With learning, we master impact. Master your emotions. Master your impact with power of learning.